Let's do it.
I've been into cars my entire life. Had a couple friends who worked for the company.
So my journey started 11 years ago. Prior to that, I ran my own company in South Florida for 20 years. My brother-in-law recruited me to join. I started as a retail sales associate, so this is a great story that it really doesn't matter what age you want to start a new career at, especially through this company.
I heard about the benefits and I really looked into them before I made a switch. Benefits start immediately. Your day of hire, you're covered. So if anything happens, you're well taken care of here.
On the benefits side, we know about the health benefits. And it started on day one, but there's a lot of other things that we have. Tuition reimbursement programs that help teammates out along the way if you want to further your educational career as well as your career with us. Stability benefits with our resources for living. A lot of other benefits besides just health, dental, and vision.
I believe in old-fashioned customer service. I mean, that's really the key. I think why we do so well is because we try and strive for that.
So many opportunities, but really we're looking for the will, the personality. We are in the people business.
Keep it up, Mike.